My daily routine. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is slowly open my eyes and stretch my arms wide to feel the fresh morning air. The sunlight peeks through the curtains, and I take a deep breath. I like to start my day feeling calm and peaceful. After getting out of bed, I head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully to keep them clean and healthy. I use a mint-flavored toothpaste and make sure to brush for 2 full minutes. Then, I splash cool water on my face. The cold water helps me wake up and feel refreshed. Sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and smile, ready to start a new day full of possibilities. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I enjoy having a simple meal that gives me energy without feeling heavy. Usually, I make toast with butter and a hot cup of tea. I like green tea because it tastes good and helps me feel alert. Sometimes, I add some fruit like an apple or a banana on the side. Eating breakfast slowly helps me wake up my body and mind. While I eat, I sometimes listen to soft music or the morning news to stay informed. Breakfast is an important moment for me to relax before the busy day starts. After breakfast, I move on to getting dressed. I look outside the window to check the weather. If it is cold, I wear a warm jacket, long pants, and comfortable shoes. If the sun is shining and the weather is warm, I choose light clothes like cotton shirts and sandals. I like my clothes to be simple but neat because feeling comfortable helps me concentrate better during the day. I take a moment to comb my hair and put on a watch. Small details make me feel confident and ready. Before leaving the house, I pack my bag. I always check to make sure I have my phone, wallet, keys, and a notebook. My notebook is important because I like to write down ideas and things I need to remember. I also carry a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. Once I have everything, I lock the door behind me and step outside. I enjoy the fresh air and sometimes take a slow, deep breath as I start walking. The quiet sounds of the morning make me feel peaceful. I take the bus to work. The bus stop is just a 5-minute walk from my home, and the bus usually arrives on time. When I get on, I find a seat by the window. I enjoy watching the city wake up as we drive past stores opening and people starting their day. Sometimes I listen to music through my headphones. Other times, I read a book or an article on my phone to learn something new. Occasionally, I see familiar faces on the bus and greet them with a smile or a quick hello. This part of my day gives me time to prepare mentally for work. When I arrive at my workplace, I greet my colleagues warmly. I feel lucky to work with a friendly team who supports each other. My job involves many different tasks, like answering emails, making phone calls, and participating in meetings. I try to stay organized by making a to-do list each morning. Every day brings new challenges, but I enjoy solving problems and finding creative solutions. Sometimes, I learn something new that makes my job more interesting. Helping my team succeed motivates me to do my best. Lunchtime is one of my favorite parts of the day. I usually eat with my coworkers in the company cafeteria or sometimes we go to a nearby restaurant. We talk about different things like movies, books, or weekend plans. It is nice to take a break from work and spend time with friends. I like trying new foods, so I often choose dishes I have never eaten before. Lunchtime gives me a chance to relax, refresh, and enjoy some good conversation. In the afternoon, I focus on completing my tasks. I attend meetings where we discuss the progress of our projects and share ideas. When I finish my work, I feel a great sense of accomplishment. I try to leave the office on time so I can have balance in my life. After work, I like to do activities that help me unwind and stay healthy. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park near my home. Walking helps me clear my mind and enjoy nature. I often watch children playing, birds flying, and flowers blooming. The fresh air and green trees make me feel happy and peaceful. On other days, I meet friends for coffee. We talk about our days, share stories, and laugh together. Social time keeps me connected and cheerful. When I want to be active, I go to the gym for an exercise class or swim in the pool. Staying physically healthy is important for both my body and mind. In the evening, I prepare dinner. I like cooking simple meals like pasta with tomato sauce, rice with vegetables, or a warm bowl of soup. Sometimes I try new recipes I find online or in cookbooks. Cooking relaxes me, and eating homemade food makes me feel good. After dinner, I spend some time watching television or reading a book. These moments help me rest and enjoy my personal time. Before going to bed, I follow my nighttime routine. I brush my teeth carefully and floss to keep my mouth healthy. I wash my face with warm water and apply moisturizer to keep my skin soft. I change into my favorite pajamas that are soft and comfortable. I like to write in my journal before sleeping. Writing helps me reflect on the day and feel grateful for the small joys in life. I think about the good moments and the people who make my life special. Finally, I turn off all the lights and close my eyes. I breathe deeply and let my body relax. I imagine calm and happy places as my mind slowly drifts into sleep. Getting enough rest is important so I can wake up fresh and ready for a new day. Each day is a new chance to learn, grow, and practice speaking English better. This is my typical day. It may seem simple, but every part is full of small joys and meaningful moments. By focusing on the little things, I find happiness and confidence. Every day, I become a little better. Every day, I keep practicing and moving forward.